Hello, hello. So what I have right behind me is a 1969 Land Rover Series IIA. All right, this thing's badass. I know. So let's go ahead. Let's start way back when in 1948 when they debuted the first Series I Land Rover. Okay, that was at the Amsterdam Motor Show, and the idea, the goal for that was to be the British solution. Okay, for all of the American imported Jeeps that got left over there after World War II. The main idea behind the Land Rovers, to be dependable and durable, which they certainly are. Now, 10 years later, in 1958, they released the Series II, and they were larger, more powerful, and a few more creature comforts, right? We all like that. Then, 3 years later, in 1961, they go ahead and introduce the Series IIA, which is what we have right behind us, okay? Now, this Series IIA only has 43,637 miles to it, so that's pretty wild. And it was one of only 1,222 Series IIAs that were exported into America in 1969. Kind of cool, right? Lots of facts I just threw at you. Let's go ahead and walk around the car, and then I'll tell you more about it. Pretty rad, right? I know. Well, what's powering this Series IIA is a inline 4-cylinder engine capable of 72 horsepower, and along with it, a 4-speed manual transmission. All the fun stuff that you need, right? I know. Now, just to get a little sentimental with you, which if you watch my videos, you know I do that. I'm sorry. This car was previously owned by one of the most larger-than-life characters I knew in my childhood, Paul Rowley. All right, this was an Irish lawyer that could talk like a serpent. He was fantastic, and I remember him as a kid just hauling ass at PCA and SCCA events in his Formula Atlantic. So Paul has since passed away from leukemia, and so cheers to you, Paul. Thanks for being such a character. Mechanic shops attract characters. That's for sure. Now, if you like these videos, like them. If you want to subscribe, that'd be wonderful, because you know I'm popping out a lot of annoying car videos all the time. That's what I do. I like it. If you have anything negative to say, keep it to yourself. And then also, I see you later. Bye.